Photography is an ever-evolving art form, driven by technological advancements that make capturing stunning images easier and more exciting. As we step into 2024, several innovative gadgets have emerged, promising to enhance the capabilities of photographers, whether they are amateurs or professionals. Here are 10 of the best photography gadgets for 2024, each offering unique features and benefits to elevate your photographic endeavors. Let's get started. Mirrorless cameras. Mirrorless cameras have been gaining popularity due to their compact size, interchangeable lenses, and superior image quality. Brands like Sony, Canon, and Nikon have released new models for 2024 that offer impressive features like high-resolution sensors, fast autofocus, and enhanced low-light performance. These cameras are perfect for photographers who want professional-level quality without the bulk of traditional DSLR cameras. Modern mirrorless cameras also boast advanced video capabilities, making them a favorite among videographers and hybrid shooters. Features like 4K and 8K video recording, in-body image stabilization, and high frame rate shooting ensure you can capture smooth, high-quality footage. The latest models come with intuitive touchscreen interfaces and robust connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless image transfer and remote control via smartphones. Drone cameras. Drone cameras have revolutionized aerial photography, providing unique perspectives and creative possibilities. The latest drones from DJI, Autel, and Parrot feature advanced stabilization systems, high-resolution cameras, and intelligent flight modes. These drones can capture stunning 4K and even 8K videos, as well as high-resolution stills, making them an essential tool for landscape photographers, videographers, and content creators. Modern drones come equipped with obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring safe and stable flights even in challenging environments. Features like Follow Me mode, waypoint navigation, and automated flight paths make it easier to capture dynamic shots. Additionally, compact and foldable designs enhance portability, allowing photographers to take their drones on adventures without hassle. Gimbals. Gimbals are crucial for capturing smooth and stable footage, especially when shooting videos. These handheld devices use motors and sensors to stabilize your camera, eliminating shake and jitter. Brands like DJI, Zhiyun, and Feiyu Tech offer gimbals with advanced features such as object tracking, time-lapse modes, and wireless control. Whether you're shooting on a smartphone, action camera, or DSLR, a gimbal can significantly improve the quality of your videos. The latest gimbals feature ergonomic designs, making them comfortable to use for extended periods. They also come with customizable settings and modes, allowing users to fine-tune their stabilization according to different shooting scenarios. With long battery life and quick charging capabilities, these gimbals ensure you can keep shooting without interruptions. Portable lighting kits. Lighting is a critical aspect of photography, and portable lighting kits have become essential for photographers who need to control their lighting on the go. Companies like Gogox, Neewer, and Profoto offer compact, powerful lighting solutions that are easy to set up and use. These kits often include LED panels, softboxes, and adjustable stands, providing versatile lighting options for portraits, macro photography, and videography. Modern portable lighting kits feature adjustable color temperature and brightness levels, allowing photographers to create the perfect lighting conditions for any scene. Battery-powered options offer flexibility, enabling outdoor shoots without the need for power outlets. Some kits also come with remote controls and app connectivity, making it easier to adjust settings on the fly. High-speed memory cards. As cameras continue to advance, the need for high-speed memory cards has grown. Brands like SanDisk, Lexar, and Samsung offer memory cards with high read and write speeds, ensuring fast data transfer and reducing lag during continuous shooting. These cards are essential for photographers who shoot in high-resolution formats or record 4K and 8K videos. High-speed memory cards also come with large storage capacities, allowing photographers to capture more shots without changing cards frequently. They are designed to withstand harsh conditions, including extreme temperatures, water, and shocks, ensuring reliability and durability during demanding shoots. With faster data transfer rates, photographers can quickly offload their images and videos, streamlining their workflow. External hard drives and SSDs. Backing up your photos and videos is crucial, and external hard drives and SSDs provide reliable storage solutions. Companies like Western Digital, Seagate, and Samsung offer portable drives with large capacities and fast transfer speeds. SSDs, in particular, are favored for their durability and speed, making them ideal for photographers who need to access and edit their files quickly. External hard drives and SSDs come in rugged designs, protecting your data from physical damage during travel and outdoor shoots. Many models offer encryption features, ensuring your files remain secure. With USB-C and Thunderbolt connectivity, these drives provide high-speed data transfer, reducing the time spent on backups and file management. Camera backpacks. A good camera backpack is essential for transporting your gear safely and comfortably. Brands like Lowepro, Peak Design, and Manfrotto offer backpacks with customizable compartments, padded dividers, and weather-resistant materials. These backpacks are designed to protect your camera, lenses, and accessories while providing easy access and organization. Modern camera backpacks feature ergonomic designs with adjustable straps and back panels, ensuring comfort during long shoots or hikes. They also come with dedicated laptop sleeves and additional pockets for personal items, making them versatile for both photography and everyday use. Some models include built-in rain covers and tripod holders, offering comprehensive protection and convenience. Smartphone lenses. Smartphone lenses have become popular among mobile photographers, offering a range of creative possibilities. Brands like Moment, Olloclip, and Sandmark provide high-quality lenses that attach to your smartphone, allowing you to capture wide-angle, macro, telephoto, and fisheye shots. These lenses enhance the capabilities of your smartphone camera, making it possible to achieve professional quality images. Smartphone lenses are designed to be easy to use and portable, fitting comfortably in your pocket or camera bag. They often come with protective cases and lens caps, ensuring they remain in good condition. With improved optical quality and advanced coatings, these lenses minimize distortions and aberrations, delivering sharp and vibrant images. Camera straps. Camera straps may seem like a minor accessory, but they play a crucial role in comfort and security. Brands like Peak Design, Black Rapid, and Joby offer ergonomic, durable camera straps that distribute weight evenly and provide quick access to your camera. These straps are designed to prevent strain and fatigue during long shoots, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot. Modern camera straps feature adjustable lengths, quick-release mechanisms, and anti-slip designs, ensuring your camera stays secure and easily accessible. Some straps also offer modular systems, allowing you to customize them with additional accessories like lens pouches and tripod holders. With stylish designs and various materials to choose from, you can find a strap that suits both your comfort and aesthetic preferences. Photo editing tablets. Photo editing tablets, such as those from Wacom and Huion, are essential for photographers who want precise control over their edits. These tablets come with pressure-sensitive pens and customizable buttons, allowing for detailed and accurate adjustments. Whether you're retouching portraits, adjusting exposure, or creating digital art, a photo editing tablet can significantly enhance your workflow. Photo editing tablets offer high-resolution displays and wide color gamuts, ensuring accurate color representation and detail visibility. They are compatible with popular editing software like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom, providing seamless integration with your existing tools. With wireless connectivity and long battery life, these tablets offer flexibility and convenience, allowing you to edit your photos from anywhere. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Your support means a lot to us, and we can't wait to bring you more content that helps you get the most out of your photography journey. Stay tuned and keep capturing those amazing moments.